Step 1. Create an account on Goshippro. Fill in the required information, such as nickname. Valid email address and password symbols are not allowed. Verify your email address. Please check the email with verification code within 5 minutes. If the email is missing, check the junk folder. Step 2. Log into your account. If you already have an account, please log in with your registered email address, not the username. Step 3. Connect your store to Goshippro. Then click on Install to connect your store to Goshippro. Please remember the email you registered. Step 4. Sync products to Goshippro. After binding your store, your private service manager's WhatsApp number will be updated on dashboard. After, click on Update Products on My Products page. All of the products on your store will be synchronized to Goshippro. Step 5. Ask for product price. You could choose the products already with orders, and then click on Ask for quote for product price. Order total price equals product price plus shipping fee. Step 6. Sync orders to Goshippro for automatic fulfillment. Click on Sync on Orders page to sync your orders. From then on, the GSP system will retrieve the latest order information from your store. Step 7. Select logistic method and make payment. After you have selected the preferred shipping method, on a waiting payment page, you could check the order total price. Click on Pay to Paper Products or click on Checkout to enable batch payment of up to 100 orders. Visit Goshippro.com and start your dropshipping today.